Hi, I'm Paul Block, the inventor of the Block Knife Sharpener, and today I'm going to show you what I can do with a chainsaw and a chainsaw bar. Block Sharpener is a unique sharpener. I use it on many things, from pocket knives to kitchen knives to swords, katanas, and today I'm going to try something new. It's on my lawnmower bar. On my chainsaw bar. And the guy at the hardware store pointed out that my bar's got a burr in it all along the edge. As you can see in the background here, I've been cutting quite a bit of wood. Now I'm living in Michigan, so I asked him, I said, well, do I need a new bar? And he said, no, you need something to take the burr off the bar. And I said, well, I got something that'll do that. Block Sharpener. We're going to try it right now. Put that down. I don't see what makes it different than anything else. Slide it along the bar. Just like a pair of scissors, I'm going to square the corner. And you can feel it. It's knocking that burr down. It's still got it though. Lost it in there. Let's work this for a few minutes and see what we get. I use a titanium carbide pin. It's much harder than any factory-made knife, and I'm finding most cutting edges. I can see a shine coming up on the edge now. Look at that, it's losing that burr. Still got some up in here though. My knife sharpeners are 100% American made. I'm finding I can sharpen hundreds and hundreds of different unique cutting edges and use them on quite a few different things. I'm not sure what their tool is, but I can see this is going to work. No more burr there. Then just stand it up, a couple swipes along the blade, and that squares that corner. Get it back in here too. And I'm going to continue to go all the way around the saw till there ain't no more burrs. See how this is nice and smooth? Watch this side. Good way to deburr. I don't know if y'all can see the shine in the edge there on the camera. Hopefully you can. And that's supposed to buy me some time on my blade.
On your bar?
On my bar. Anyway, that's how you do that, and a lot of you are probably wondering, how do I sharpen up a chainsaw blade? Well, ain't that hard. Once you turn it into a knife, put it on the edge of the counter, draw it through. Take your best knives, shaving sharp. Block Sharpener, we will sharpen a chainsaw blade.